Hello everyone, welcome to Ortho Implants for Life. This week we will learn about TENS nailing system fixation procedure. So let's begin.
Now for single bone or both bone forearm fracture, in case of a pediatric fracture where the patient is below 12 years of age, in such cases you can use TENS nail to fix the fracture in the forearm. Let us go and check out the instruments. This is a TENS nail. TENS stands for Titanium Elastic Nailing System. This is available in the diameter of 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 3.5 mm and 4 mm. In order to fix it, first we have to create an entry point using an awl. This is a curved awl and this is a straight awl. Surgeon can use any one of these according to their preference. Once the entry point is created, we will have to do rimming. For that we will require a reamer. If you are rimming for a 2 mm TENS nail, first you have to rim with a 2 mm reamer. After that you have to rim with a 2.5 mm reamer. Once the rimming is done, we will fix the TENS nail. For that we will use an impactor or a T-handle chuck with key. This will slowly go in through the entry point, maintaining the reduction. Always keep a watch on the alignment, as because this is an intermedullary system, so you have to have an understanding of the direction the TENS nail going in. For that you have to align nails bend with T-handle's end. Doing this you can have an idea which direction this TENS nail is going in. Once it is fixed, you will have to insert the TENS nail through the entry point. If there is any obstruction, you can connect the sliding hammer with the impactor or the T-handle chuck, and you can do gentle hammering in order to go in smoothly. You can also do reverse hammering in case you need to pull out the nail. After the TENS nail is inside, remove the impactor or the T-handle chuck. Measure the required length of the nail that is needed to be kept inside, and after that cut the excess of the nail using a jumbo cutter. After this you can use this instrument. This is also called an impactor. You can use this freehand at this end of the nail to flush the nail through the entry point so that it does not stay outside the skin. Normally this is used to fix pediatric fractures for forearm fractures.
If you want to know more about career prospects in orthopedic implant industry and wish to start a career in orthopedic implant industry, please click the link below in the description box and DM us to know more. If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it. If you have any queries, comment below and we will surely reply back. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you and see you in our next video.